And if you're not experienced enough to take on the ocean, you can still get in some surfing. Sand surfing here is exhilarating. Boogie boards are not slippery enough, but there are sandboards for hire from local tour operators. On the other side of the peninsula, you'll find the whitest sand outside the tropics. Great Exhibition Bay has dazzling sand dunes made from pure silica. There's no access by public road, but people just make a donation to cross Maori farmland. It's well and truly worth the journey. The beaches here are not recommended for swimmers. The currents and surf are just too dangerous. And some of the bays have resident great white sharks. Cape Reinga has the kind of beaches where it's totally exhilarating just to be here. So, can such a maverick beach score well in the world's best beaches shell test? In midsummer, the Cape gets an average of 7 hours of sunshine a day, 3 shells. The water reaches over 20 degrees in the summer, but don't go in, 3 shells. And it's as pristine and clear as water gets, 5 shells. The sand is stunning, another 5 shells. It's technically not surfing, but we've decided to give the incredible sandboarding 5 surfing shells. This is the heart of the Maori connection to the land. 3 shells. The lack of luxury is what makes this place wild and beautiful, but sadly no shells. The setting is superb, 5 shells. There's lots of wildlife on the land and in the sea, but it's not so easy to spot, 3 shells. Cape Reinga is not easy to get to, so you can find your own exclusive lookout, 5 shells. The windswept beauty of Cape Reinga scores an impressive total for a beach with no swimming or sunbathing, with 37 shells.